Hi, my friends. Today we are going to be doing our multi-step problems. Okay, for our first multi-step problem, it says, for the school bake sale, Katie made pastries. Yum. She baked 307 cupcakes and 155 cookies. Sounds delicious. After the sale, she had 88 to take back home. How many pastries did she sell? Okay, we need to first ask ourselves, what is she asking? I'll give you guys a few seconds to think about it. Okay, my friends. So what are they asking us? They're asking us, how many pastries did she sell? Now, the next thing that we need to look at is our numbers. What are our numbers here? Take a look. Remember, they're in written form. So, what does it say? 307. There's another number, 155. This is the first part of our multi-step. So, what do you think we have to do with these two numbers to the first part of our problem? Think about it for a minute while I write these numbers. Okay, my friends, what do you think? It says she baked 307 cupcakes and 155 cookies. If you said add, you are correct. We are going to add these. Don't forget to make your HTO. Okay, my friends. 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? 12. We put our 2 in the ones place and our 1 in the tens place. 5 plus 1 is 6. You got it. 3 plus 1 in our hundreds place is 4. Good job, my friends. But are we finished with our problem? No, we're not. It says after the sale, she had 88 to take back home. What is that word? Take back home. What do you think what we're going to have to do next, my friends? Think about it. If you said subtract, you are right. So, what two numbers are we subtracting, my friends? Our sum and 88. You got it. So, let's write that up. 462 minus 88. Please excuse my writing, my friends. Okay, don't forget to make that HTO. H-T-O. All right, so where do we start first? Hundreds, tens, or ones place? If you said ones, you got it. Is there more on top or more on the floor? If you said more on the floor, what do? We go next door and get 10 more. Let's do it. We cross out our 6 and it becomes a 5. And we get 10 more, and we put our 1 right here. 12 minus 8 is what, my friends? 4. You got it. Okay, let's take a look at our tens place now. Is there more on top or more on the floor? If you said more on the floor, you are right. So we need to go next door and get 10 more. Let's cross out that 4, and that becomes a 3. Don't forget to add that 1 to the 10. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now we go to our hundreds place. 3 minus 0 is 3. Great job. So how many pastries did she sell, guys? 374. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job, my friends. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, my friends. Our next multi-step problem says, while on vacation, Gwen took 141 pictures at the zoo and 229 at the museum. If she later deleted 115 pictures, how many pictures from her vacation did she still have? So let's think about it. We need our problem-solving checklist. What do we do first? The first thing we need to look at is, what is the question asking us? The question is asking us, how many pictures from her vacation did she still have? Good job, guys. Next, let's highlight our numbers we're going to be using for the first part of our problem. Well, Gwen took 141 pictures at the zoo. And next, she took 229 at the museum. Let's stop there. That is the first part of our problem. What do you think we're going to do with those two numbers, my friends? I will give you guys a minute to think about it. I'm going to write those numbers out while you are thinking. Okay, my friends, what do you think that we're going to be doing? If you said addition, you are correct. We need to know how many in total she has so far first. So let's put our addition sign there, and don't forget your little H, T, O. Okay, let's first start with our ones place. 9 plus 1 is, if you got 10, good job. We put our 0 on the bottom and we put our 1 on the top in the tens place. We regrouped it. 4 plus 1 is 5. You got it. Plus 2, 7. Good job, my friends. Let's move over to the hundreds place. What do you see here? 1 plus 2 is 3. Wonderful. You guys are doing such a great job. Now listen, are we done with our problem yet? If you said no, you are right. It says if she later deleted 115 pictures, how many does she still have left? What is that key word that tells us what we're going to do to the next part of our problem? If you guys said deleted, kiss your brains. Okay, so what numbers are we going to use to subtract? If you guys said our sum and 115, you got it right. Let me set it up and then I will have you guys solve. Don't forget to make your HTO. Hold on, my friends. Okay. Please start solving. I will give you guys a minute and then we will solve it together. Don't forget to look, where do you start first? Hundreds, tens, or ones place when you are subtracting. If you said ones place, you got it. Okay, we start with our ones place. Is there more on top or more on the floor? If you said more on the floor, you guys are right. We go next door and get 10 more. Let's cross out that 7 and it becomes a 6. Don't forget to bring that 1 over. 10 minus 5 is 5. You got it. You guys are so smart. Let's move over to our tens place. 6 minus 1 is 5. Good job, guys. You got this. Okay, now let's look at our hundreds place. 3 minus 1. What is our difference? If you got 2, kiss those brains. You are so smart. So, how many pictures from her vacation did she still have? 255. If you guys got that for your sum, you got it. Great job, my friends. Okay, my friends, this is the last multi-step problem that we have. But this time, you're going to solve it all on your own. The only thing I'm going to do is read it to you. Here we go. I know you guys can do it. It says, there were 239 girls and 400 boys trying out for the school's basketball team. If only 126 of them got called back, how many students didn't make the team? Okay, my friends, remember the problem-solving checklist. We ask ourselves, what are they asking us? What is that question? We look for our numbers that we're using in the first part. We underline them. Then we look for our action words, so we know if we are going to add or subtract. Next, we continue to the second part of our problem. We take our difference or our sum that we got, and we're going to either subtract or add again. And then we will find our answer. Okay, my friends, complete the problem.